What's up, guys? We're back in the shop today. Today we're going to be installing a 2.5 inch lift kit, a leveling kit, sorry. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure you smash that like button. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so when we're jacking up a 1-ton truck, we want to jack one side at a time. So now that's jacked up, it's time to take the wheels off. Alright, so at this point, give it a little back kick. Oh. Alright. If I die, I die. Y'all gotta die sometime. Okay, we don't want to go too far because we don't know what the tensile strength of these are. I mean, they're pretty thick, but that's risky biz. These things can explode. Now, in order to get the spring out, we're gonna have to jack up this side of the differential again, pull out this guy, and then lower it, leaving the jack underneath. And that'll drop this side of the diff. Hopefully she doesn't slide and fall off, because that would suck. So just like that, the coil is out. So now we can take this. Boom. Easy peasy. There's our lift. Our new shock. Oh yeah, there's our problem already. I think our shock might just be holding us back, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull that guy off. We're gonna use our torque bar for this, because that's all I have. Hindsight, never use a torque bar for breaker bar stuff. You'll mess up the calibration on it. But yeah, I don't know. I'm not your mom. Oh, I think I might have broke something there. Uh-oh. This job just turned into 2 hours to 7. Fuck. Yep, that's fucking broke that bolt. Maybe a breaker bar wasn't a good idea. Broke that bolt right there. Yep, she's toast. Yeah, shit. That ain't fucking good at all. Not at all. Oh, it feels like we got a nut or something holding that in. So maybe it was just welded and we just snapped the weld. Ford, you done it again, eh? What is that? No, 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 I don't like that. Guess we gotta break the fucking welder out. Alright, this job just got a lot more gay. Saw this at the store. Phillips ginger beer. And I like ginger beer usually, but man is this. This is like someone took a ginger root plant, fucking cheese grated it, and put it in beer, and then strained the fucking shit out. Like, this is... That's some, it's not good. Don't buy that. Alright, so I broke the bolt that holds the fucking shock in place. So I'm gonna have to get the welder out, weld the back of that nut back onto the tab that is supposed to fix it in place. So that'll do two things. That'll fix the tab that broke off because it's too small of an area to get a wrench in there. I don't know why they fucking made that design, but they did. So I'll have to weld that up. And then the second thing that's gonna do is the heat from the welder should loosen up that bolt. So it should just come right out after. Here she is in all her glory. When I say shitty Mastercraft welder, I literally mean like the $200 on sale fucking welder. Hell yeah. Fuck that bolt. Cheers to that. Yeah, hell yeah. That's the fucking way, dude. Check that shit out. Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Easy peasy. Alright, that is one done. Now we can go do the fucking other side. I think on this side I'm gonna start with the shock. Oh. Focus, you fuck. Focus. Cut up my finger. Knuckle buster. Boom. Out. Oh, boom. Make sure when you're done working on your vehicle that you clean your hands off. I heard your girlfriend don't like dirty fingers. Alright, and once you're done, make sure you thoroughly put back your tools, neatly and organized. Alright, now we're all done. I'll take it out tomorrow for a drive. Do a little clip of that. It's getting dark out right now, so I'm not even gonna bother. Lighting's pretty poor. So, yeah. Fuck, I don't know. Thanks for watching, I guess. Bye.